Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Toma and you're watching Toma Sharkar Art. Today's video is going to be an oil paint study of a forest landscape with a water stream view. So let's get started. I am working on a gesso paper and I'll try my best to show you the color palette I'm using so that you can understand the color mixing techniques. I'm using right now a mixture of sap green, little amount of Prussian blue and titanium white, and I'm just blending over this color all over the sky area with a dry brush. Now let's get started with painting those trees. I'll be using sap green and with the help of a mop brush I'm painting out this bushy area. On the right hand side I'll be using a darker shade because it is a shadowed area where I'm using a dark hue of green and Prussian blue. On the upper canopy areas the lights are reflecting more, so you need to add a little amount of chrome yellow along with sap green and draw out those lighter areas. Now you need to keep in mind that at this phase of the painting nothing is being drawn in detailings. We are just allocating the colors where they are supposed to be rather than focusing on the detailings. We are working on the lighter and the shadowed parts. Now with the help of a thin mop brush I am painting out the water bodies. I am using Prussian blue and titanium white for this part, and side by side I am also chalking out those bushy areas. No need to stress at all for drawing out the detailings. We are just blending out those base colors, and you can see I'm also using my fingers to draw out those base colors. Now I'll mix burnt sienna, titanium white and little amount of sap green, and don't forget to use linseed oil each time you're mixing colors. Okay, so with the help of an angled brush I'll draw out these tree trunk areas. You just need to dab the angled portion onto the paper, and this will give you the effect of tree trunks. You can also use a fine brush to draw out the tree line areas. So let me tell you one thing, the painting reference I'm using for this piece is actually a screenshot. Lately I was going through a few video clips of Himachal Pradesh, and those videos were so beautiful. I took one screenshot of it and thought someday I'll turn this into a painting. And sometimes when I take a few travel vlogs, I sort of try to took a few screenshots so that I can use them later for my painting reference. So here you go, you can actually collect your painting reference or painting inspiration literally from anywhere. So let's get back to the painting. After having done with painting those tree trunks and branches, I am gently drawing out the dark parts using a flat brush. Here I am using Prussian blue and ivory black to chalk out the dark areas. For the lighter areas I'm using sap green, chrome yellow and titanium white. These are those areas where the light is reflecting, so you need to put bright and vivid colors over here, and followed by the contrasting colors has to be dark. There is no other color mixture, just for the darkest part I'm using Prussian blue, deep green and ivory black mixed, and for the lighter areas I'm using chrome yellow, titanium white and sap green mixed. At the bottom of the painting you will see a little drama is happening. Water is flowing from high level area to a little low level area. There is a movement of water, so we have to depict a disturbance over here. I'll use a dry mop brush to draw out the darkest areas, which is drawn with Prussian blue, and the remaining part will be drawn with titanium white. means the waves or the foamy part where the water is hitting those rocks. On the right hand side, you will see me painting those rocks along with a little greeneries. For painting those rocks, I'm using burnt sienna and ivory white, and for painting those greeneries on the base color, I am using that Prussian blue and deep green mix, and on top of that, I'm gently dabbing ridged with a ridged brush. I am gently drawing out the green leafy structures. So the only thing which is left to be done is working on those highlights. Here I'll be using titanium white, and with the help of a flat brush I am gently drawing out simple lines over the water body, which will give an effect of light reflecting on the water body. You need to also focus on the darker areas. Draw out the darker areas more darker with a fine brush, and while drawing the highlight on the greeneries, I am using a ridged brush and using titanium white plus sap green. Amount of white is more, remember that. And using this color mixture, I am just painting out those leafy structures over the darker areas, which will give a effect where the light is reflecting on the leaves. So the painting is almost done. I hope you all enjoyed this painting tutorial, and if you have any queries or anything you want to know about this painting, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to get you back. I'll try to provide the information you need to know. This painting took 2.5 hours to complete. If anyone out there want to recreate this painting, please share the painting you have done, you have created with me. I would love to see that. You can DM me on my Instagram handle, which is toma.sharkar.art, or you can also ping me on my Facebook art page, which is Toma Sharkar Art. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon for more video updates. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay at your home, and bring out your inner creative side. Bye bye.